Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anthea and my channel is all about simple skincare routines and simple tips on how to do your own makeup and how to take care of your hair. Lately I haven't been sleeping really well, so I started to develop dark circles around my eyes and eye bags, and in this video I want to share with you this very special turmeric mask that I use to get rid of that. It is going to help you get rid of dark circles around under your eyes, eye bags, and those little wrinkles around your eyes. If this is something that concerns you, please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Before we go any further, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know every time I post a new video on my channel, and I post a new video every Friday. For this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of tomato juice. Mix them together into a fine paste. Turmeric in particular has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that will help clear the dark circles and help reduce the eye bags. This mask will also make the skin around your eyes soft, and it will reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It reduces tired eyes and sagging skin. Besides using this mask, please get at least 8 hours of sleep every day and drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Also, stick to a healthy diet and healthy habits. For example, do not take alcohol and avoid smoking. Apply the paste under your eyes with a brush. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Be careful not to get turmeric into your eyes. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is it for today. I hope you found it insightful and you're going to try it out. If you did like it, please do give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. Also, do not forget to subscribe